Ormoc is one of the partner cities of the Building Climate Resiliency through Urban Plans and Designs project. The city is looking at increasing rainfall, increasing frequency and intensity of typhoons, increasing temperature and climate-related hazards such as flooding, storm surge, and rain-induced landslides in its future.
The city, also serving as a regional center here in Eastern Visayas, is now urbanizing fast with complex demands of services among our neighbor municipalities. A city always visited by typhoons, we are living proof that climate change is really happening.
Increasing rainfall and increasing frequency and intensity of typhoons only add a long history of typhoon-related devastation in Ormoc. Increasing temperatures will intensify due to continuing urbanization, pulling in migration and private investments for business establishments and residential housing development. These will further add to degradation of biodiversity, of natural ecosystems, Ormoc Bay and its mangroves, and Danau Lake Natural Park. Over 70 villages, home to 27,300 households, or about 109,000 people, are within flood-prone areas, and among them are over 1,800 informal settlers and close to 15,000 families living under the poverty line, who will be rendered even more vulnerable by lack of capacities to adapt.
Technical support in further detailing the project under financial investment to get this ruling. We believe that with a wide cooperation, this will be very fruitful.
Ormoc City intends to rise to the challenge of climate by balancing its natural resource endowments with infrastructure and nature-based design solutions while putting its people at the center of urban design.
This project is based from the Climate Risk and Disaster Risk Assessment conducted to conform our local climate action plan.
There are informal settler families living in the community, exposed to flooding, storm surge, and rising urban temperature.
We are able to talk with the community people in a series of consultations and meetings.
Urban design plays a huge part in building climate resilience and reaping co-benefits of mitigation efforts. So how will we do things differently? Ormoc will manage its water, resist, delay, store, and discharge, resist flooding and storm surge through coastal linear parks and other design interventions, delay flood buildup through permeable surfaces and nature-based solutions, store water by developing water capture and storage interventions down to community and household levels, and discharge suitable flood water back into the rivers and oceans by ensuring adequate filtration and water management channels. The city aims to build a sustainable city that ensures people's safety, support inclusive decent housing, provide economic opportunity, and promote better environmental condition. And this is a story that has just begun.